Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum Q2 USDC on Zondacrypto. So what do we see here? Let me just zoom out first because you possibly I can't see the last swing high. This is exactly 4,104. This is 4,092. A possible double top. The setup that we've been talking about on our analysis meeting many times before the movement to the downside happened. Take a look at this. Swing high, swing low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So what is the conclusion here? Textbook example of the downtrend. What's more, we got the trend line. The trend line looks like it is like it has been made for this kind of a market. We got the one false breakout above the trend line, but as you can see, the price, the candle didn't actually close above this this trend line. Big rejection, confirmation to the downside, big weird candle here. Market is confused, they don't know what to do, so let's better consolidate. Okay, we should go down. We forgot about that we are in a downtrend and new low has been made. Even if we zoom out a little bit, or maybe let's switch to the weekly, that's gonna be interesting. Look at this. That's not the first time 4,000 something level had been rejected. We still got this level here. I can't copy it. Let me just take a look. There you go. We still have this level here, which is the high from 2024, and this level 4022 has not been violated as well. So it will be now extremely difficult for bulls to break above the $4,000 level. If we zoom out a little bit, you can see that the whole movement to the upside here, right? So the lows of the 2022, which is located at $890 per Ethereum, long time ago, towards the highs at 4,222, has been basically done. And this is the first step of the first part of the decline, corrective decline, a rally to the upside, fail it, a rally to the upside, and then movement to the downside. Now, there is something very interesting I would like to share with you on this pattern. This is called the irregular flat correction. Okay, and if we consider this movement here as a 5-wave movement to the upside, or if we consider, let's say, okay, instead of the correction, let's start with the impulsive wave. Okay, if we consider wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 wave to the upside here in wave 3, that this is very deep wave 4, and this is the failure to wave 5, which is very rare. We can say that this is the first leg of the impulsive leg of a downside swing, of the corrective swing, which is a zigzag or something like this. Greetings for everyone who is into the Elliott wave. However, there is a problem with this wave 3, and there's a problem with this wave 5. The occurrence of the shortened wave 5 is very rare. So does anything else fits a little bit better than this Elliott wave movement to the upside? Yes. If we consider the top of the 5-wave impulsive cycle here, so the wave 3 might be, this is clearly in 3 waves, so somewhere here should be the wave 3, here maybe wave 4 here, and fail it wave 5. So then we got the situation when we got the ABC to the downside made. So from the failed wave 5, we got the wave downside here, wave to the upside, wave B, and now wave C. Irregular flat, that's what I mean. Irregular flat might be in progress, or it might be completed, right? So that's how it looks from the Elliott wave perspective. The only problem is with this failed 5th wave. However, it is still possible that the market actually did this. This is why, maybe this is why, the reason we got this very nasty swing that is taking very deep movement to the downside, taking out the wave 5 previous high as the high for the wave B, and then very sharp dynamic reversal to the downside as the wave C unfolds. So the whole swing wave 1 had been completed. ABC to the downside had been completed. Is it time for the wave 3? Yes and no. Why? Because if this is the time for the wave 3, we should see very, very dynamic, aggressive rebound to the upside like no tomorrow. Because wave 3 is the strongest one in the whole impulsive wave structure. It should look something like this. But now, instead, what do we have is, we have a test of this level here, 2154. Let me just place the thick green line here. We have a possible test of this level here, 2006, and that's a very, very nice range, a very, very nice support and very, very nice demand zone for the bulls. So if the Elliott wave cycle, wave 5 waves to the upside with Elliott fifth and ABC to the downside as a irregular flat simple correction had been completed, we should see big rebound to the upside. If there is no big rebound to the upside, dynamic, strong, aggressive, then we will move even lower, like no time. Okay, so any breakout below 2020 is very, very negative for the bulls, and that would only means we go back to the level of 850. So the lows from the 2020 to somewhere below the $1,000 per Ethereum. That's a long-term scenario. On a daily time frame chart, if we want to return to the upswing, to the upcycle, to the positive outcome of the Ethereum, we need to break above the trend line. We need to break above this high here, 2,550, and then eventually the confirmation would be a breakout above the level of 2,846. That would be new higher high in the sequence. Okay, if there is no new high in the sequence, sooner or later we will return to this zone here, and this zone will be broken, and downswing would extend even lower. So that's our long-term scenario and mid-term scenario, weekly and daily respectively. Let's see what the market will do with this situation. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.